My name's Russ Burton. I'm Chief Exec of SHARC Technology Systems, which is a UK division of a Canadian business that have recently developed new technology in the field of renewable heat. The SHARC technology is quite a simple technology, driving heat generation and recovering waste heat for use elsewhere. The temperature around the world of the sewage system sits at around about 21 degrees C. If we can capture half of that surplus and waste heat and convert it into usable building energy, that will make a significant difference to the way that we consume natural gas and other heating sources in the UK. I got involved in the whole renewable sector around about 5 years ago. I worked in corporate UK. I was responsible for 8,000 properties across the UK, and I saw a lot of waste being distributed out of those buildings, and it frustrated me enormously. The great thing about the SHARC technology is it can be deployed on a broad range of building types, both from an individual property through to a citywide network opportunity. It works very well on campus-style environments with hospitals, universities, prisons, and anywhere where there's a large proportion of people in a confined space. This has a very broad appeal to a large number of building owners and a large number of building occupiers.
I'm Gail Scholes. I'm Head of Energy Services and I work at Nottingham City Council. My role is responsible for all of the energy and waste infrastructure projects across the whole city. So for us, it's not only about district heating, it's about all the other technologies that complement the whole of the district heating network in the city. And we feel that's probably the way to go forward, certainly in terms of the whole energy agenda. It's not just going to be about one technology fits all. This is always going to be about complementary systems and technology that's probably going to see us through the next 30, 50 years. In terms of waste heat recovery, we see that as an important part of all of our future energy infrastructure, and it's something certainly that we'll be implementing. The
SHARC system, where it's now been proven in Canada, has delivered 75% saving on natural gas consumption in the buildings where it's deployed.
And it is a fairly simple process. It can latch on to any existing scheme. So this is not only directed at new build, but it's also fundamentally aimed at existing infrastructure. And I think this is where this technology particularly fits well. DEC and UK government are really interested in this space, particularly when it comes to waste heat. But this is an area that's kind of crucial in terms of where we're building our strategies.
This is a great story from an inward investment, so we're bringing manufacturing back into the UK. We're able to use the UK as a platform for expansion into the European market, and as an organisation we're really excited by the opportunity that this creates for us and for the city. So recognising the enormity of the challenge, the green agenda is huge and no one individual is ever going to resolve the problem. But what we've all got to do is change. We've all got to make an effort to do something different and be more open-minded. A lot of the challenges that we face as a new entrant to market is the barriers that people don't really want to try this because it's new. Well, we have to get off that agenda. We have to be more open to adopting new technologies, to adopting innovation and thinking differently about the way that we operate as building owners, as building specifiers, as building designers, and make sure that we genuinely make a difference. But overall, it presents a massive opportunity to save a lot of energy by recapturing waste that would automatically go down the drain otherwise.